In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dotted line in Microsoft Excel. This is perfect for separating sections, highlighting areas, or adding simple visuals to your sheet without using borders. We'll walk through the process step by step, and I'll share a few tips to make your line look clean and consistent. First, look to the ribbon at the top of Excel and go to the Insert tab. This is where Excel keeps drawing tools and other visual elements. If your window is narrow, some options may collapse into icons, but Insert will always be there along the top. Next, click Shapes. A gallery opens with a variety of options. We're going to work with a simple straight line, which you'll find in the Line section of that gallery. Click the Straight Line option. Your cursor will change to a crosshair, which means you're ready to draw. Now move to your worksheet and click where you want the line to start, then drag to where you want it to end. Release the mouse to place the line. For a perfectly horizontal or vertical line, hold the Shift key while you drag. This constrains the angle and keeps things tidy. If you need to adjust the position or length after you place it, click the line to reveal the end handles and drag them as needed. If snapping to cell edges helps, zoom in for precision or press Alt while dragging to align to the grid. With the line selected, it's time to style it. Go to the Shape Format controls that appear when a shape is selected, and click Shape Outline. This menu controls the appearance of the line. In the drop-down, hover over dashes. You'll see several dash and dot patterns. Click the dotted or dashed style you prefer, and your line will instantly update. If the dots look too faint or too bold, you can fine-tune the appearance by adjusting the line's weight and color in the same Shape Outline menu. Lighter weights create a subtle dotted look, while heavier weights make the pattern more pronounced. If you don't see the formatting options, make sure the line is selected. The shape tools only appear when a shape is active. And that's it. You opened Insert, chose Shapes, selected a straight line, then used Shape Outline to pick a dashed or dotted style. Use this technique to guide the eye, separate sections, or call out key areas without cluttering your sheet. Thanks for watching, and enjoy customizing your Excel worksheets with clean, professional dotted lines.